Does your baby look away from the camera just when you're about to shoot? In this video, I will share 2 solutions that worked for our family. Solution number 1. Position daddy. First, tell daddy or whoever is with you to position himself behind the photographer. Then, the moment you are ready to shoot, tell daddy to get baby's attention. When baby looks, shoot quickly. Solution number 2. Use a post-it. First, put an eye-catching post-it, or colorful item, at the back of your phone. Next, let baby look at the item while you take a shot. I hope this helps you take better photos of your baby. See you next time.